Hello guys, my name is Sheikh Chan Basha. You can simply call me Chanu. So today topic is difference between cost control and cost reduction. Okay, let's understand what is cost control. Cost control is a practice of identifying, reducing business expenses to increase profits, and it starts with budgeting process. So a business owner compares actual results to the budget expectations. If actual costs are higher than planned, so management takes an action. So cost control is nothing but increasing profits by reducing business expenses. For that we need to adapt some basic techniques. So these techniques are extremely important to control the cost. These techniques are just like standard costing, budgetary control, and cost management ratios and responsibility accounting control systems. So if you applied these techniques, so definitely we will reduce the business expenses and there is more chances to increase profits. So for that we need to develop and plan a budgeting process. So in that so we should expect some basic budgets. So based on that we need to compare with actuals. So whatever the difference between so budgets and actuals, that we need to take an actions. So that is the different part. But here so the main topic is cost control. So cost control is a not a specific program, rather it is a routine activity, and it should be frequently carried out by many organizations. Cost must be controlled, otherwise there will be wastage and misappropriations. So checking such wastage and misappropriation of resources is continuous activity. A firm exercise better control last year doesn't mean that it has not been relaxed from the cost control function. So cost control relies heavily on accounting techniques. So already told to you what are the techniques are used in cost control. So it is standard costing, budgetary control, and cost management ratios. So therefore cost control includes routine management of the organization activities such as control of wastage, misappropriations, and loss of work time and setup times. So this is about cost control. And let's understand what is cost reduction. Cost reduction means conducting some innovations in the way of working in new style so that excess cost of production and operation could be eliminated. So cost reduction is nothing but invention of working new styles. So it's just like invention, and it is just like research and development activity. So in order to reduce the excess cost of production, and these operations could be eliminated. Cost reduction programs are directed toward specific efforts to reduce cost by improving methods and work assignments and products. Cost reduction program may require bulk of amount of research and development budget, but once new technique is introduced, it gives competitive advantage for the long period. The aim of cost reduction to see whether there is any possibility of bringing about saving in the cost incurred on materials, labor, and overheads. Cost reduction is possible through the following improvements. So if you do these improvements, there must be chances of reduction of cost. It is first one is obtaining more output from the same input and facilities. So using lesser quantity of inputs to obtain the same output. So simplifying methods of distribution. So improving the location, layout of plant, warehouse, and other resources. So here you can look at the basic difference between cost control and cost reduction. So cost control aim is maintenance of cost. Cost reduction aim is reduction of cost, and it is cost control is possible through reduction of wastages, and cost reduction is possible improved and design layout, and cost control is past and present event, but cost reduction is present and future event. And you're going to look at it is nature of cost is temporary and permanent. The quality maintenance is not guaranteed in cost control, but cost reduction it should be guaranteed. So these are the basic differences. I hope you understand what I'm saying, and if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and share our videos so that